On this episode of Doing the Most, I wrote a book. It's the holiday season, and I just finished a project that I've been working on for years. It's an ebook about how to make mead at home. I started writing this years ago when I started this YouTube channel, and eventually all the writings pooled together and became a book. And my friend Charlie, a photographer, took some beautiful pictures of meads to include in this book. And my friend Justice did some incredible doodles to really bring this thing to life. It is 120 pages long, which is Amazon's best kept secret, apparently, but it is available on the Kindle and it is available for a PDF download. The PDF version doesn't have any copy protection, so you can put it on any or all of your devices. And if you've got a friend who's getting into mead making and needs some inspiration, feel free to loan them a copy. It took a long time to put this together. I'm super proud of how it came out, and I'm really happy with the recipes that we chose to feature in this guide. In addition to the recipes, there are several chapters that walk you through beginner to intermediate mead making, going through the science of nutrition and balancing, and really breaking down some of the complexity of language around mead in the modern mead making space. And all the recipes that we chose are super beginner friendly, not things that you have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff in order to be able to ferment. Most of them are grocery store friendly recipes. Right now, I've got it on sale because it's the holidays and I want y'all to check it out. If you have any questions about it, you can email me. If you have any problems with your order on our website, you can email me. We'll get it straightened out. I am super stoked about this. I'm so thankful for the volunteers who helped go through and copy edit it to make sure everything was accurate. And I'm so excited to finally be able to share it. And I plan to update it, so anyone who purchases a copy will be added to my email list. And if I release an updated copy, you'll get a link to download that as well. Happy holidays, everyone. Stay safe, stay warm, drink responsibly, but drink good mead. And I'll see you in the new year. Cheers.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, bake creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.